Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed some projects like a friend of mine, which actually has an extension where you can create a quiz about the different character that's being introduced. Now I want to show you a project that uses the quiz idea in a neat way. And the project we're going to take a look at is called Which Crystal Are You? And it is made by ThinkArt TV. So we press the green flag. And we got some different options here. So what's your favorite food? Ooh, anything spicy? Yeah. What's my favorite color? I do like, blue, red. I like all those colors. Let's go with red. What's my size? Average for my age, really tall for my age, a little smaller, a little tall for my age, I guess. Okay, if you could have any of the following right now, what would it be? Food, superpowers, success, happiness? Well, I've got food downstairs. I've got success. I've got happiness. I don't really have superpowers. Let's go with that one. Let's see, where would you want to keep your crystal? A vault, on my shelf, in a compartment, in my desk, in any bag? Let's go with on my shelf, so other people can take a look at my crystal. Now, it selected me as a ruby, so it says you like spicy food and sometimes are sad or angry. Well, sometimes. Overall, you want peacefulness in life. Yeah, that's true. So if we actually take a look at this uses some different results depending on how you guess on here. So we have some different AND blocks, and it'll give you a different result for each one of these. So maybe you might be an amber, or you don't really know what you are, or an emerald, etc. So I thought this was a really neat idea for how you could take a quiz and have some different results depending on how people answer the quiz. So if you want to create a project like this, make sure you check out the links in the description or go to bootuppd.org. And if you got a really neat idea that you'd like us to check out, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.